Good morning and welcome to Homeroom. Today we've been talking about what it means to act with integrity and what it means for people to trust you. So we're going to do a little demonstration to sort of show what happens when we build trust and when we break trust in other people. This water represents our integrity. It's pretty clear. You can see right through it. It looks good. You could drink it if you wanted to. But let's say that you start doing things that you know aren't really good. You know they're not honest, you know they're not right. For example, you have homework to do. It should only take you about 10 minutes, but your parents said you need to do it before you play video games tonight. You think that you could probably get it done on the bus in the morning, so you decide to just get online with your friends right away instead of doing your homework, because no one will ever know if you do it on the bus. Another example, your mom is having company over for dinner tonight. She made a batch of cookies and told you to stay out of them. However, when you walked by, you accidentally bumped the tray and one fell onto the counter and broke. Instead of asking if you can eat the broken one or just putting it back, you decide to just eat it. No one's going to miss it. Finally, you want to go over to your friend's house, but you've been told that you can't go over to somebody else's house unless there's an adult present. Your friend's parents aren't home, but her older brother, who's 18, is. Does he count as an adult? Instead of asking to see if it's okay with your parents, you decide that it's probably fine and you just go on over anyway. The problem with these little actions is that because they aren't fully honest and fully transparent, they're opportunities for you to lose trust or for other people to lose their trust in you. And when that happens, our integrity gets kind of cloudy. It's kind of gross. It's full of stuff. Definitely not clean and clear now. So what happens? How do we get other people to regain trust in us? Once we've broken our trust and we've lost some of our integrity, how do we get it back? The answer is by doing small, honest things consistently over time. So making the right choices again and again and again. Maybe doing your homework before you go play video games, even though you could do it on the bus. Asking your mom if you can eat the broken cookie, or even just putting it back on the tray. Calling to get permission to go to your friend's house with just her brother there. Doing those things shows your integrity to people in charge of us, and it shows that they can trust us. And over time, if we consistently do these small things, our trust can be rebuilt, and it can clear itself out. And so, just like this water is coming out nice and clear again, our integrity can be rebuilt. It takes a long time. It's not fast. It's not pretty. But it's the right thing to do so that other people can trust us and our word when we say we're going to do things. They know it's the truth. I want you to think this week as we go forward about how you can show the adults and other people in your life that they can trust you, that you have integrity. And I want you to think of one way that you can act this week that shows that to somebody else.